Hey guys, today I'm going to look at simplifying and evaluating algebraic expressions. If you're following along in the book, this is from Algebra 1, Unit 1, and this is Lesson 5. So all this means is that you're going to be given an algebraic expression, something with variables, which are letters, and numbers. Okay, you may have several of them being added or subtracted, or it may just be a single one, and they're asking you to plug in a value, a number, for those variables and simplify. For example, let's say you're given x plus 5, and then you're asked to evaluate when x equals -3. Since x equals -3, I'm going to put a box around x, and I'm going to put a box around -3 showing that they are equivalent. So I'm going to come back to the expression x plus 5 and put a blue box around it because it's x, it's equivalent to x. So wherever we see a blue box, we can replace it with a -3. So I'm going to replace that x with a -3, and I get -3 plus 5, which equals +2. And you're done with this problem. But let's look at a little bit more complicated problem. Let's say you are given 2x squared plus 5x minus 7 and asked to evaluate when x equals 6. Okay, again, x and 6 are equivalent, so I'm going to put a blue box around those to show that they're interchangeable. And wherever I see an x in the expression up here, I'm going to put it in a blue box. Okay, so I've got 2 parentheses, that x I'm replacing with 6, and it's always a good idea to put it in parentheses, squared, plus 5, replacing that x with 6 again, minus 7. All right, now we need to follow order of operations. There's parentheses in here, but within the parentheses, there's nothing going on. They're just numbers. There's no operations within the parentheses. So we can skip that and go to exponents. So the first thing I need to do is exponents. So I get 2, and then 6 squared is 36, so that's 2 times 36 here. Let's bring down the rest, plus 5 times 6 minus 7. All right, next, order of operations says to do multiplication and division from left to right. We have 2 multiplication problems here. We've got 2 times 36 and 5 times 6. And you need to do whichever one comes first from left to right. So we're going to do 2 times 36, which gives us 72. So we get 72 plus 5 times 6 minus 5. Now we can do this multiplication. And you get 5 times 6 is 30. And I need to bring down the 72 plus and then the minus 7. Now we've just got addition and subtraction from left to right. So we just go with the first two. 72 plus 30 is going to give us 102. And now bring down that minus 7. And we can do 102 minus 7, which is 95. All right, guys, thank you. Y'all have a great day.